Alright, so continuing with the unboxing video, the PlayStation 5, and as you can see, this box is massive. It's enough to hide you. This box is massive. It's fucking huge. There's no way to put it. I don't think they can see, like, they can only see like the top part of your face. Like, it's huge, you know?
Hi.
So it's pretty crazy. I'm really excited for the PS5. I love the design personally. I think it looks really futuristic, very cool, very conceptual, and I like those very odd avant-garde designs. I think this is really, really fantastic. So we're gonna be unboxing this. We got games to unbox as well. If I'm being
not see what games there are yet, though.
Yeah, we're gonna have to see. So Sony's going like all in with this generation. I know a personal friend of mine whose console already broke, so I'm hopeful that this is gonna actually last the weekend. You know, I guess we're gonna have to see this weekend if it's even gonna last. My friend's console broke on the day of literally release. So pretty crazy. Anyway, we're gonna get to. We're probably gonna lay this down, and then we'll. Here, I'll hold it like this. I guess you can cut this part. Pretty cool. So anyway, here's a look at the front. You know, you have your basic PS5, of course, disc-based version because I'm not doing digital. And on the back here, it shows it laying down, which is how we're gonna actually have that. And I like the handle that they gave you on the top as well.
Yeah, they don't give you a handle on the heavy.
They don't give you a handle on the Series X one, so it's nice that Sony kind of thought about that. Anyway, we're gonna get to. We might have
about the weight.
You might just stand up to do this. Okay. Ooh. All right. So.
No, it's like this.
You have to.
Oh wait, actually, does this? No.
And then.
Oh, I'm stupid.
Okay.
Wait, no, I'm stupid. I see it. Comes out the box. Yeah, come on, buddy.
Let's see some help me. Oh my god. Oh jeez.
Ooh, I have PlayStation.
That is crazy. Okay. Is this?
Oh, where's the ASMR?
Oh, okay. So it opens from the top here, and then we take stuff out one by one.
I guess.
Okay, so we got this first part. Oh gosh.
Okay.
So we got. look at how intricate this is.
This is mind unboxed. You get that one.
So we got.
We get a power plug.
We got our power cable, which is really nice. We have our quick start guides and menus and things like that.
He gets the stupid stuff. I get this.
That is the stand. So the stand is actually required now.
Oh, what the heck? Look, it has a little thingy on it.
Yep, so I've seen how to actually put that on. So the stand is fully required now, whether you're standing it up or laying it down. So it kind of looks like it's floating almost. So I've seen some videos and stuff like that. Yeah, very, very interesting. I think it's because of the design. And of course our HDMI 2.1 cable, which you're going to need for 4K, 120 FPS, or 8K video. And then we have our DualSense controller. I have not held that personally.
I haven't either, so.
Okay, so it's the first time.
But you're not gonna be holding it.
And last thing is our USB-C charging cable. They got rid of micro USB.
Whoa.
Thank God.
Look at this thing.
USB-C DualSense controller. So that's a brand new controller. Like, you can feel the difference right away. Huh?
Yeah, it actually feels really comfy.
You actually like it? I like the DualShock 4 a lot. I feel like that was a big improvement because the PS3 controller was terrible.
Ooh, the buttons feel weird, a little different. Well, these buttons on the right feel different for sure.
And then we got your touchpad. The whole thing feels like it's just layers on layers of different pieces.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh wow, yeah. Oh, it's really comfortable. Ooh, I like the size of the triggers. And the bumpers are also bigger. The buttons they feel raised a little bit, like slightly taller.
If the buttons feel like this feels like they're raised, this feels like it's like less of a push to press down.
Yeah, and then we have our headphone jack on the bottom, our microphone right here.
Type C.
Yeah, Type C now. Microphone on the top, so you don't need to have a headset anymore. You can just speak it to your controller, which is really cool. Your mute button right here, your PlayStation button, which I just pushed. Oh. So you have this light that kind of bleeds in on the sides. So you basically don't have a light bar anymore.
Oh look, it is right here too.
Yep. and the controller lights up on the front, on the bottom of the touchpad.
So it doesn't light up in the center here.
No, but on the bottom of the touchpad here, it basically lights up when your controller is connected. So you have one light for one controller, or up to 4 lights for 4 controllers connected.
Wait, so this light here?
Yeah, that's a light bar. So it'll be like 1 light, 2 light, 3 light, 4 light, depending on which controller number you have. So pretty cool. You got your touchpad, you got your options button, and then your
I don't
new...
know if they can see it, but...
Pretty cool. And then you got your new share button right here on the side, which is now called the create button.
I like the grip on the analog sticks here.
Yeah, they changed the grip and stuff. So early on,
the original... the center seems the same, but the outer seems like...
The original PS4 controller, the DualShock 4, the quality of it was terrible. Like, mine lasted like just 5 months before the actual rubber on the analog sticks started actually breaking down. So I'm really hoping that the quality on this controller has been improved. It really feels premium, and I like the shape of it. So, all right. So we have the PS5 console in here, so I'm gonna slide it out. Gosh.
Hey, big boy. I'll hold it because I want to hold it. It's not yours. It's mine. It's mine.
Jeez, this freaking box, man. It's so huge.
Oh my god.
All right. Okay.
It's upside down.
It is upside down? Okay. Lord. It just blows my mind that we actually have this already. Like, I just feel like we should have been waiting like a lot longer for these consoles to release, but this whole year has just been crazy.
Here, grab this lip.
There we go. Oh my god.
Hey, big boy.
It's
What's
beautiful.
that dot there?
I didn't see anything. Oh, I see it right there. Oh, it's just dust.
It just looks like a center point.
Yeah. Wow. I think the first things first, we should probably... Well, actually, here, I can sort of give you guys a look at it. Okay. So, it's actually lighter. I can do that. Okay. It's actually lighter than it looks. It looks humongous and just heavy, but it's actually... I think the Xbox Series X is heavier.
Mm-hmm.
The Xbox Series X feels heavier to me. I like the design. It's pretty cool. So you have your front sort of... that is your Kensington lot to actually open it, I believe.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we have our front here, which is sort of like this shiny black plastic looking thing. So this is gonna get dusty. This is gonna have to be cleaned, of course. And we have your sort of blue LED ring when this is on that kind of comes down and slopes down. Our disc tray. You have your power and eject buttons there, and then your front USB. And then, you turn this over, and then you got your PlayStation button, and...
There's 2 USB 3.0s on the back.
2 USB 3.0s on the back. Oh, I forgot the USB-C
or
here.
3.1 is blue.
Okay. And then, your main power cable, your Ethernet ports, your HDMI 2.1 ports, and I believe you have don't you have a spot for, like, the PlayStation
Wait,
camera?
did they give us an HDMI? Oh, yeah, this is it right
No, you don't. That's it. Wow. Very basic and bare bones.
Wait, no, isn't this it? What's that?
That's your HDMI.
Oh, okay. No, I thought this was the Xbox one for a moment.
No. So yeah, very kind of basic on the back there. Not a lot of I/O options. Both consoles got rid of optical audio this generation, so you basically only have HDMI to deal with. I think probably first things first, we're gonna put the stand on. Okay, so we're gonna put the stand on. Now we're gonna have the console lay vertically permanently because I just like the way it kind of looks laying down, especially the disc-based version because it has that sort of slope onto the side. So the way this kind of works, you'll see this in a bit. So this is supposed to clip sort of on the side, where you have these sort of indents right here with these PlayStation symbols. You probably can't see that on the camera, but this kind of clips in. And there you go.
So like only if you're looking back here, you're gonna notice that. Ooh,
It's definitely not clipped on fully all the way.
And does it have the clip?
Well, see, I wonder.
No, I don't think it has a clip. I think
it
it's
just sits there like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I might have to construct. I might have to consult.
Yeah, I think it sits there because it looks even right there. Look at the camera. You can kind of look through the camera. I'm blind.
We might have to consult the instruction booklet just to see if that's exactly how the way to do it. I just seen it in the videos where they just kind of clip it onto the back there. But then that's it. This console's massive. It's really huge. Although it's big, it actually doesn't feel super heavy. And honestly, this is all sort of white plastic here. Now, there is basically a rumor that in the future you're going to be able to take these panels off. You can actually take these panels off right now, and that's how you install an SSD in here if you want to expand the storage, which, by the way, you can't do right now. Sony says there's no expandable storage right now supported at launch. But you'll be able to take these panels off, and the idea is that in the future, there's different colors and stuff that they can make for sale. So kind of like Project Skylight for the PS4.
See, that's interesting. I like that.
So if you want like a black system, which a lot of people have been complaining, oh, it's white, I want like a black system. Well, you might be able to get black panels from Sony in the future, probably for like $30 or whatever.
They'll probably do different colors like green, red, blue. The blue would look probably cool.
Yeah. I think it looks pretty nice.
I like the design more than Xbox, to be honest.
Yeah, Microsoft's is very
Microsoft's
basic.
simple.
It looks like a computer.
But
this
the PlayStation looks more...
This looks like a router. You know, so you always have people like making fun of the design. Looks like a computer, looks like a router. Whatever. I think
one thing you can't beat, I think the controller looks better than the Xbox. The controller Xbox has more, I like the bumpers on the Xbox one, but this just feels really nice. And it feels so like it's futuristic. It's something out.
I just like the ridges.
Out of this world.
The ridges are really cool.
And I can't wait to see colors in this. Like hell, maybe they might do the same thing with this. Like you may be able to remove this. We don't know about it yet. Or remove pieces. Maybe not, but.
Yeah, different colors definitely. So probably in the next couple months, I would say. It's obviously a slow year because of COVID and everything like that. But yeah, so this is how the console is going to be set up. And of course we have games, so I guess we should get to unboxing them. Alright, so we got games here. I picked up Spider-Man Miles Morales. Not the freaking Legendary Edition that comes with Spider-Man Remastered. I just played that, a year or so ago, so I don't need to play that again. But Spider-Man Miles Morales, the spin-off, and then, of course, Demon's Souls, which I think we're all looking forward to. This is going to be really exciting to play. So yeah, so Demon's Souls was $70. Spider-Man Miles Morales was $50. So Sony is kind of taking the route that some other publishers are taking, and they're doing a price increase on all their first-party games. So
I don't blame them. I mean, it was eventually going to happen.
When you adjust when you adjust it to inflation, honestly, we actually pay less for games now than we ever did before.
Just think of it this way: we had Xbox 360 and Xbox One games sitting at $60, and it's never changed. And inflation went up a lot. Like minimum wage over here went from Xbox 360 times to now went from like double the price, $750 to almost 15 now.
Yeah,
it's
well
needed a bump on their side. I don't blame them for charging an extra $10.
Well, games have gotten a lot more expensive.
You're not asking for a lot. You're asking just a couple, like another $10. That's all.
Games have gotten a lot more expensive. I'm perfectly fine. We don't buy games on release anymore, really.
Yeah, I mean, it sucks that we have to pay the $70, or like a lot of people have to spend $70 when they want to get it on release. But at the same time, they need to do that. I mean, if they don't do that, then our games won't evolve.
Well, that's what I'm hoping. I think the reason that the PS4 and Xbox One generation was so lacking in creativity was honestly because games were so expensive to make and no one wanted to take the risk. So we saw everyone just trying to basically do the trendy thing, putting battle royale in games that you didn't really need battle royale for.
Yeah, that's why we have microtransactions
and microtransactions too.
Businesses couldn't afford just making a single.
They're still going to do freaking microtransactions. They're still going to do microtransactions regardless.
Yeah. It's a good sale now.
But I am hoping that creativity comes back this generation, and if the cost for that is $70 for games, then okay, I'm happy to do that.
You're happy with that.
So Sony hasn't changed up the case really at all for the PS5. It's still using the whatever. You're still using the PS4 blue cases, which I kind of wish they went with the smoke black. That would have been really cool.
I would have rather had the smoke black because we had first, what was it, dark blue for the PS2, and then PS3.
No, so we had black in the US, but if you were in Europe, you had like a dark blue, like a matte blue. But it was black in the US.
Oh, this is reversible.
Yeah, so let's say have the art, and stuff on the other side.
I like it though.
So pretty cool. We got our
can't look at our codes.
DLC.
DLC.
And then the PS5 disc. Pretty cool.
Oh yeah, I forgot. My bad. PS5 disc. I like the white and black there. That's what they should have done. The smoke black to make it
That would have been really cool. Some people even showed like white cases, which I wouldn't have been down for. Like white cases would have been interesting.
Yeah, but it's like going back to like pure white or like smoke white.
Well, like a smoke white, yeah.
Smoke white would have been going back to PS3.
PS3 is like clear, yeah.
Yeah, but it's like that's all it would remind me as.
I guess. So then you got your sort of reversible cover. So Miles Morales is a very cool character. We absolutely love what was it Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse.
That looks cool. I'd rather have it like that.
Nah, pretty cool. Sony says this is the best launch lineup for any PlayStation console ever, and I do have to say I do agree with them. Look at the quality games that you're getting on launch for your
Spider-Man,
system.
Miles
You got Spider-Man, then you got Demon's Souls, and both of these look phenomenal. And
a big hit. Spider-Man was a big hit on the PS4, and then now you got Spider-Man Miles Morales.
On the PS4, you had Killzone Shadowfall and Knack, and of course we have next the Demon's Souls remake, which I'm honestly still shocked this is a launch title.
Oh.
I cannot believe that they actually made this a launch title.
Wait, was Demon's Souls a launch title on the old one?
No. So Demon's Souls came out a few years later on the PS3. And
I be very careful with this one.
Yeah, so I was actually expecting Demon's Souls to be like a first year launch title for the PS5, but the fact that you were getting it right now is very surprising to me. So I'm actually pretty excited to play it, and the graphics look phenomenal.
Demon's Souls.
So Demon's Souls does not have ray tracing at all. It is, I believe, the only Sony first party game releasing on the PS5. Maybe Little Big Planet 2. It does not have ray tracing, and honestly, when it looks as good as it does, do you honestly care?
I do.
It does. It looks phenomenal. Either
Up
way.
to 6 players online.
Yeah, so I don't know. We're gonna have to see. So this
AKA
is probably
PvP.
Yeah, they're gonna invade your game and attack.
Another thing I'm just gonna say again, that smoke clear would have looked so nice on this.
Oh yeah, definitely.
The dark theme with the white and black, the smoke case. We should just see if we can make smoke cases.
I'm sure there's a third party that sells it, but yeah. So pretty cool. I just realized on our PS5, the manufacturer date is October 2020. So this is just last month.
Newer.
It is newer.
Is that the one that broke on his friend's side?
I don't know. I don't know.
Ask his date. Maybe it's the manufacturer issue.
It came from the same plant. I hope not. Don't jinx us. Alright, so that was the unboxing for the PlayStation 5. Really excited to get this going. I'm going to be doing a UI tour. We're going to be playing out some of the games, of course, and I am going to test out backwards compatibility with the PS4 games as well, so it's going to be pretty cool. Man, I wish this played PS3, PS2, and PS1 games. That would be fucking awesome.
Wait, it doesn't do backwards compatibility?
It only does backwards compatibility with PS4. But if it played like PS3, PS2, and PS1 games...
They may evolve it to that.
They don't seem to care as much as Microsoft.
But no, actually, no. They don't. They on the PlayStation Store you can buy.
You could, yeah. Well, you can stream them. You can stream them through PlayStation Now, so you could do that. But it would still be nice to have native hardware support. That's why I like the launch PS3 so much, because you could play PS3, PS2, and PS1 games on that console. It's just freaking cool.
They may do that eventually.
We'll see.
They just haven't.
Well, what I'm hoping is that because Microsoft's been focusing so much on it, I'm hoping that it will encourage them to basically add more backwards compatibility support over time, but I don't think so. Anyway, we're going to be getting to setting up this console, and hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and let's get to the consoles.